Recording.
Come to my hangout to
Okay. ICBM.
I'm still out.
Take one.
Daddy.
I'm making a video, darling. Wanna watch? Shh. You gotta be quiet.
You guys nothing.
Whoa! Oh, oh, oh!
Who was that?
Just see it going off into the
Successful to
distance.
me.
Fuck yeah, that's successful. Let's try and get that wall.
Not quite there yet. I've got to make a few tweaks.
Careful,
but
because
it's
the
flying.
gyroscope breaks after time.
Next test will be a warhead, boys.
Nice.
I'll crash it near the
You
base.
should get that gun.
Gets King as he's running back.
You should get
I can see it. I can see it. There it is. See the little black dot? That's so cool.
Here we go.
So
Crash.
you've got full control over it.
Yeah, I just got to set it up a little different. Here we go.
It's gone.
A little mushroom cloud. Let's
That
go
is
check the
successful,
damage.
boys. That is a deadly weapon. I'll keep working on that if we can get some silos.
Not quite sure.
And we can
where-
remotely launch tons of them at them.
It's there. There it is.
You have to send me the
That's
video,
it out of the air. It's
bro.
Sky. Yep, we'll do.
That was sick.
What is that?
See, with your crane, I can build a bunch of them, then we can lower them into
Base.
place on their legs, and then just launch
Yep,
them.
that's what I'm going to make. A facility. It's going right here.
Sweet.
Alright,